Hi, I'm David with Katana, and I'm going to show you how a warehouse operator can pick and pack orders using the warehouse app. Now, once a manager has prepared and sent an order for packing from Katana, a warehouse operator will be able to see the task in the warehouse app. If there are multiple tasks, so several sales orders are ready for packing, they'll appear by the order rank in this tab right here, this task to do tab. Now, operators can tap on a task to view what's inside of it, and then they can go ahead and click Start Task for picking and packing. And once you start a task, it becomes unavailable for other operators, so two people won't work on the same task. Operators can see the list of the items in this task, their quantities, and tracking data. So if batch tracking is being used for these. So you can confirm that here. You can add the amount of items, continue. And then I can go to my second one right here. I can confirm the batch number and then add the items. So items are listed by the bin locations. So the operators can plan the optimal route inside the warehouse when picking items. And then operators can pick items manually, or they can use a barcode scanner to help boost speed and accuracy. And if a wrong item was picked while barcode scanning, the app will actually notify the operator to help reduce errors. But as soon as all the items in an order are packed, an operator can choose the complete right here. And then and any of the finished tasks move to the completed tasks right here. And then you can quickly view all the picked and packed tasks before they've been shipped. Also, once a task is completed by an operator, the sales order status will change to packed or partially picked in Katana, depending on if it's the full order or not. All right, thank you.